Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-fill up ng form regarding sa tax. Dahil kahapon naka-receive tayo ng email from YouTube na lahat ng mga YouTuber na monetized channel or yung mga sumasahod na ay magkakaroon na po ng tax. So, kailangan lang may provide natin or makapag-fill up lang tayo ng form within May 31, 2021 para hindi tayo mabawasan ng 24% of your total earnings worldwide. So, ang laki nun. Ang hirap na kitain ng threshold na $100, then babawasan pa tayo ng 24% sa tax natin. Ilan na lang yung masasahod natin. So, para mabawasan ng 24% ng tax earnings natin, kailangan lang natin mag-fill up ng form para sa tax. So, let's start. So, punta tayo ngayon sa Google Chrome. Then, type lang natin Google AdSense. So, ito yung pinaka-dashboard ng ating Google AdSense. Bali sa taas, meron nakalagay na Manage Tax Info. Click natin yan. Or kung wala naman sa taas, pwede kayo sa Payment. Then, may nakalagay dito. Click nyo lang yung Manage Tax Info. Then, Add Tax Info. Lagay natin ang ating password. And then, what type of account? Individual. Then, next natin siya. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? No. Next natin. Then, sa tax form type, ayan, select lang natin yung W8 Ben. Kasi ito yung pang-individual. Then, start lang natin siya. Then, country of citizenship, Philippines. Then, input natin ang ating tax number or TIN number. Next natin siya. Then, input natin ang ating details. Dapat yung details natin or yung address natin, same pa rin dun sa Google AdSense natin para hindi siya magka-problema. And then, click natin yung mailing address is same as permanent resident. Then, next lang natin siya. Then, sa tax treaty, click lang natin yung yes. Resident of a country claiming treaty with the US. Then, check natin yung Philippines. Dun sa country. Then, click natin tong Services AdSense. Then, select natin Article 8 and Paragraph 1. Lagay natin yung 0% reduce rate. Then, click natin to. Reason and meets terms. As a tax resident of the country identified in the tax identity section. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang yan. Then, next, motion, picture, and TV, YouTube, Google Play. Article 13 and Paragraph 2A. Then, 15% reduce rate. Then, click na ulit natin to. Then, other copyright, YouTube, Google Play. Click natin ulit yan. And then, Article 13 and Paragraph 2A. Click natin yan. Then, reduce 15 rate. Then, click natin yan. Then, next. So, ito na yung apat na form na napilapan natin. Confirm lang natin. Then, next. Then, lagay lang natin yung pangalan natin dito. Then, are you the person listed in the signature section? Ayan, lagay na. Then, yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. So, yes lang natin to. Then, next. Has the individual identity identified in tax identity section? I-no lang natin to. Then, click natin yung I certify that the service provided to Google affiliates solely outside that any labors, blah blah blah. Click natin siya. And then, are you providing tax info for the new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payment or existing payment? Click natin yung I am providing tax info for a new existing payment profile that hasn't received payment. Sir, I am providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payment. So, since tumatanggap na tayo ng sahod, click natin itong nasa baba. And then, click natin to. Yan. And then, submit. So, ayan, na-approve na siya. And then, meron na tayong 15% tax. Ayan, 15% tax. So, magiging ganyan ng ating form. So, eto na siya. And then, check natin sa email natin kung merong tayo na-receive. So, eto na siya. Your tax information has been approved. So, ganun kabilis siya ma-approve. So, ayun lang guys. Sana may natutunan guys sa ating panibagong tutorial regarding sa pag-fill up ng form. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to click the notification for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!